Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. What I am having now is gonkura and methi leaves. Both I am going to make a upma kurkata. This dish is called upma kurkata. It is a traditional dish, but I am going to use these two leaves. Just I am going to take out only the root and then the hard stem. I'm going to add everything. So just take the root out of the methi leaves and gonkra and the hard stem. Then blend it with a little water like a thick paste. And this is very good for health, as everybody knows, and I am keep on loading about methi leaves and seeds. So it is very good for health. So I'm going to make a kurkata out of this. Now I have blended this. So for this kurkata we need about 2 handful of tur dal. Just dry roast it with 1 spoon of jeera. For 200 grams of rice rava, 1 spoon of chana dal. So when it is roasted, you need to blend it. I would say 2 spoons of moong dal. Dry roast it. You can add peppercorns, but I am not adding it now. Then for the rava, we have to take idli rava, which is the rice rava, or you can make it at home. Rice rava, just dry roast the rice and put it in the blender like a rava. First we need to wash the rice and then dry it out and then little fry. So for tempering, I am adding oil and chana dal and chilies, red chilies. I have added more red chilies. I like the spicy kurkata. You can add less. And hing, which is very important in this dish. And I'm adding rice rava, which is used for idli rava in Andhra and Karnataka. They use for idlis. About 1 cup of rava. Totally it is about 200 grams of rava. This I am going to make about 40 kurkata. 40 to 50 will come, but only we need to have just 200 grams of rice rava. It's not like this Bombay rava, wheat rava. It will become more when you do like this, and also the taste will be awesome. And now I'm adding peppercorns. If you want, you can add along with the dal and blend it. The roasted dal I have blended like a coarse powder, not totally. It should be little coarse. So I'm adding it. And now I am adding the blended leaves, methi leaves and gonkra. Gonkra is very high in hemoglobin. I have seen anemic patients taking gonkra. Even pickle they will take. If If it is not available in their area, they will take pickle, but when it is available we have to use it. Saute well and then add coconut milk. It's not necessary you need to add coconut milk, you can even add water, no issues. It's just a second milk, it is not the first milk. So just to get a texture and the taste of coconut I have added. Anyways, we are going to add grated coconut while steaming. This is a very traditional dish. All grandmas will love this because there will be so many people those days at home, and they will make this. We can serve for so many people. See, I have done only 200 grams of rava. For 200 grams of rava, I am going to get about 40 to 50 kolkattai. And also it is so yummy, and for travel it will be very nice. Whenever myself and my mom go to beach or anywhere, we will pack this. So like a snack we can have this, and add water, enough water, and mix it well and cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the water is reduced and it is cooked about when it is cooked, you can turn off the stove, and if you want you can have it like that, but the dish is not complete now. We need to make it balls. Once the heat is little reduced, you can make it balls. It's of your wish, you can do any shape. You can stuff whatever you want. I am stuffing carrot. Even instead of gonkra and methi leaves paste, you can add any vegetable blended and add it to it. Nobody will know that you have added this. I am not mixing totally with coconut. I am just, after making balls, I am like dusting with coconut. Fresh coconut or desiccated coconut, whatever is available, you can use it. This can be made in coconut oil or sesame oil. Both will be good, but not groundnut or sunflower like that. And then I am going to steam it in the idli vessel. I am steaming it. See, this much kolkattai I got. If you don't like coconut, you can avoid, and you can even add potato, anything. And this batch and another batch I got. So totally about 40, more than 40 kolkattai we got. So after steaming for 10 minutes, just leave it for a while so that it won't be sticky. When you take it in the heat, it will be little sticky. So leave it for few minutes and then you can take it out. This can be served with vata kolambu. I will give you the link of vata kurambu, and also pickle will be nice. You can also have it with pickle. Please try this guys and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra. Thank you.